Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an important topic to discuss: how to solve connecting problems in Telegram. If you're experiencing issues with connecting to Telegram, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's quickly understand what the connecting problem in Telegram actually means. It usually refers to difficulties in establishing a connection to the Telegram servers, resulting in messages not being sent or received properly. This can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, we'll help you troubleshoot and fix it. The first and foremost step is to ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites or apps to confirm if your internet is working fine. If not, troubleshoot your internet connection and try reconnecting to Telegram once the issue is resolved. Outdated versions of Telegram can sometimes cause connecting problems. Make sure you have the latest version installed on your device. Go to your device's app store and search for Telegram. If an update is available, click on Update to install the latest version. Clearing the cache can often resolve connectivity issues in Telegram. Here's how you can do it. Restart Telegram and check if the connecting problem persists. Once the app is offloaded, reinstall it from the App Store. Open Telegram and see if the issue has been resolved. Another possible solution is to change your network settings. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. Sometimes there may be temporary network issues with a specific provider, so switching networks can help establish a connection. If you've followed all the previous steps and are still experiencing connecting problems, it's best to reach out to Telegram support for further assistance. They have a dedicated support team that can help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Visit the Telegram website or search for their official support channels to get in touch with them. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to solve the connecting problem you're facing in Telegram. Remember, technology can sometimes be unpredictable, but with a little troubleshooting, most issues can be resolved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.